Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix CCMSetup Failed with error code 0x87d00227. Chapter 1. How to fix CCMSetup Failed with error code 0x87d00227 from Registry Editor. To start, from search box, enter Regedit. Click on Registry Editor, click on Yes to open this. Now go to the path on screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here, double-click over default value, set 0 and click on OK. After this, go to the path on screen. Here, check if there is any profile created. If not, you can close the editor. Chapter 2. How to fix CCMSetup Failed with error code 0x87d00227 from console. To start, on search box, enter PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now in the console, enter the command on screen. Press Enter. Finally, restart the service. Run the command on screen. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.